Hi, and welcome to the Regiondo training. In this video, we will have a look at selling merchandise products. Merchandising is available if you are subscribed to the advanced package or higher. Should you have a starter package, there's another option to cross-sell your products. We will present you both options in this video. Cross-selling allows you to increase your revenue. You can sell products in addition to the usual tickets and vouchers. For example, sell a shirt with your logo as a print or a snapshot of an event. Or you can sell things that have a direct connection to your offer, such as a cookbook for cooking classes or anti-slip socks for your trampoline hall. Go to Merchandising. There you have two options: Manage Add-ons and Cross-selling. At first, we will create a new merchandise item under Manage Add-ons. Our product needs a name and a brief description. In the description, you can describe what's in it for the customer when he buys the item. Then we will determine a price, add a VAT if needed, and insert the available quantity. It is possible to use a price of 0 if you want to offer the customer the merchandise product for free. Should you have an unlimited amount of the product available, in case of a photoshoot for example, you can insert a very high number to ensure it never runs out. Next, we can decide if we charge for shipping costs. When we activate the shipping, we can add a shipping amount. If the product is given to the customer when he arrives at the event location, we won't need any shipping, of course. We can think about whether we want to activate the product or deactivate it for now. If you'd like to offer your item only in specific time frames or will sell it in the future but have created it already, you can deactivate the product. The item will not be visible then in the checkout process. By clicking on the gear wheel in the right corner, you may define how many items are buyable per order. But you can also toggle the switch just below, with which the amount of products will automatically be adapted to the number of tickets in the order. Upload a picture and save to finish. The second step is to connect the merchandise product with the offer of your desired event. For this, go to Cross-selling. There you choose the offer you want to connect the merchandise to and select the respective item. You can also connect multiple merchandise items with an offer. With multiple items, you can determine the order in which they should be displayed for the customer to see. Don't forget to save in the end. To see your customer's perspective, go to Manage Offers, My Offers, and click on the preview eye in the action bar on the right for the offer where you connected the merchandise product. The customer decides for a date and time and proceeds to choose his tickets. When he continues the checkout process, the merchandise items will be displayed. Either he chooses to include them or go on without. Thereby, to purchase a merchandise item, the customer must always have tickets in his cart. He can't buy them independently from the tickets. Also, the customer pays with one payment method. He can't buy the product and the tickets with two different methods. And you can't connect your items to any resources. The only way to control the quantity is by defining it in the item settings. To inform a customer early on about the merchandise options, it is recommended to mention it already in the offer description. The second way to sell additional products besides tickets and vouchers is applicable in every Regiondo plan. Here, you create the merchandise product as a price list in the offer. At first, go to Manage Offers and My Offers. Choose the corresponding offer and go to step 3, Tickets. Here you can add another price list and create the product as ticket category. Additionally, you have to set up the availabilities. To have a look at the customer's perspective, go back to Manage Offers, My Offers, and click again on the preview eye on the right-hand side of the offer. The customer will decide for an offer and can choose between multiple price lists. He can buy tickets and add the merchandise product to the cart if he wants to. But he can also buy the item only without buying any tickets. In this variant, he is thus detached from buying tickets. This independence can increase your sales figures because the customer can decide to buy the merchandise product after purchasing the tickets. However, if you wish to combine it with a ticket, this cannot be guaranteed. And if you can only offer a specific quantity of the product, you can connect it to resources. On our help page, you will find an article explaining just that. That's all for today. Thanks for listening and see you next time.